If you are watching this video, that means you've clicked on the treatment agreement poster in my Bitmoji classroom, and I just wanted to give you a little heads up about what a treatment agreement really is. It's about how we want to treat and respect one another in our classroom, and it's sort of a social contract that we all sign and agree to and create. So we're going to be doing this on Tuesday and Thursday of this week. So if you could start thinking about, how do I want other students to treat me, and how do I as a student want to treat other people in my class? And then I need you to think about, how do you think that teachers want to be treated by students? I want you to think about how you want to be treated by me, Miss Nasworth, your teacher. And then I also want you to think about, how do you want to treat yourself? How do you want to take care of yourself so that your learning is the best that it could be, and that you feel the best that you can be in our classroom? And we all know that sometimes we're not going to treat each other the right way, and so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out how each of us needs to make it right. When we mess up, when someone messes up with us, how do we want to make it right so that we can keep a safe, fun, positive classroom? So, like I said, we're going to be talking about those things on Tuesday and Thursday of this week. So I need you to start thinking about how you want to be treated, how you think others want to be treated, and how we're going to make it right when we miss the mark on that.